Final keyword. In Java, you also have something, and in programming in general, you also have something that is called constants. You also seen already variables and attributes, and the variable as attributes, but you haven't seen constants yet. They are exactly the same as variables, but they cannot be changed. They can hold any kind of data type, but you declare their value before the execution, hard-coded, and that's it. You can't change them, but you can use them. Let me show you. In Java, you do it like that. Let's say public final int x equals equals 3. And it can also be a string, it can also be an array, it can be anything. Let's do an array. Public final string array, let's call it R, and let's give it default values. Foo bar and that's it. Now they cannot be changed anymore. Let's use them. I put them in the sample class in lesson 38, and in the main we already declared the sample, and let's just output the constants. s.o x. This will output x. Let's output the array. R in the position of 0 and R in the position of 1. Like normal variables and arrays. But there's one difference. Let's say I want to set x to 0. Let's see what the error says. The final field sample cannot be assigned. What if I change it to 10? The same, cannot be assigned. As I said, constants cannot be changed. Another thing you can do with constants is make them static. They can be global constants. Public static final int y equals 5. Now we can use y. Let's say we'll delete all of this. Right, s.o, and we will call the s class, and we will call y. Let's see what's the problem. Oh, it's called sample. Yeah. The s was just an instance. Okay, now it will output 5. We called a static global constant, which in Java it's called static final, but in layman terms it's global constant integer y, and we can call it using the name of the class and dot the name of the constant. Let's return the previous code. And we'll add our static constant, and that's basically it. Once you add the final keyword, you tell Java this is not a variable, it's a constant. It takes the same memory space, it can use any data type, and can be assigned a value at the start, hard-coded value, and that's it. This value cannot be changed. And I also shown you how to use an array with that. And That's kind of it for this lesson. There's not much to say about this.